Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mariam Gul from Faculty of Education, University of Sindh. My presentation topic is Human Relationships, the base for educational leadership. In content of the presentation. Introduction. Human relationship is an interpersonal relationship and association between two or more people that may range from fleeting to enduring. Human relationships are formed on different circumstances. It could be cultural, social, family, friendship, work, and social groups. Educational leadership depends on human relation. It is all about relationship at every level, relationship with teaching staff, administrative staff, and students. Without good relations with teacher, it is impossible for a leader to achieve good academic result. Definition of human relationship. According to Keith Davis, human relations are motivating people in organizational settings to develop teamwork that accomplishes the individual as well as organization's goals effectively. Definition of educational leadership. Educational leadership functions can contribute in making provision of guidance on the main characteristics, tasks, and responsibilities of proficient leaders in the field of education. Explanation. Human relations in an institute exist in varied form. There exist headmaster teacher, teacher student, teacher parent, teacher teacher, teacher non teaching, and administrator teacher relationships. Relationship between headmaster teacher. The role of the leader in educational institution is very delicate and critical. He keeps his relation with all stakeholders of the school and keep balance in them, fighting and quarreling students, reluctant and difficult teachers, and complaining parents. Relationship between teacher student. Teacher student relationship is also very important. A good relation between them will lead the school to better performance and academic achievements. Relationship between teacher parent. Teacher parent relationships is vital to achieve better academic results and enhance the performance of students. It is important for a teacher to guide the parents about the strengths and weaknesses of their child. Relationship between teacher. Teacher also had deep impact on the school environment. The positive attitude and cooperation among them developed strong and healthy school environment. Relationship between teacher and non-teaching staff. Working relationships between teacher and non-teaching personnel may take many different forms depending upon individuals' roles and students' specific needs. Relationship between administrator teacher. The administrator teacher is the association between a school administrator and an employed teacher that successfully promotes a collaborative, positive working environment that not only enhances the academic and behavioral performance of students they encounter but also promotes the vision of the school and the district as a unit. Importance of human relations in school. Through the use of human relations techniques, education can bring about significant changes in the schools. The primary factor is to implement a planned program that will promote better relationships between individuals of different races, religions, and natural origins. In order to do this, it may be necessary to reshape the attitudes held by the member of the school community. Importance of interconnecting student, teacher, parent, and school/organization. There are advantages for children when become parents involved, namely increased motivation for learning, improved behavior, more regular attendance, and a more positive attitude about homework and school in general. Improving students' relationships with teachers has important, positive, and long lasting implications for both students' academic and social development. Partnerships between schools and families can improve students' grades, attendance, persistence, and motivation. The role and need of collaboration of triangle student, teacher, parent in teaching learning process. Parents also benefit from being involved in their children's education by getting ideas from school on how to help and support their children. Also, by having more contact with parents, teachers learn more about students' needs and home environment, which is information they can apply toward better meeting those needs. Teachers who experienced close relationship with its students reported that their students were less likely to avoid school, appeared more self-directed, more cooperative, and more engaged in learning. How fair and balanced relationships should be maintained within a school among student teacher. Effective communication between teachers and students can strengthen the school atmosphere because these relationships are so closely tied to self motivation they can lead to an engaged classroom. Teacher. Teachers guide their colleagues by sharing instructional resources. These might include websites, instructional materials, readings, or other resources to use with students. Teachers help their colleagues through implementing effective teaching strategies. Teacher community. To create rich, nurturing educational environments in the classroom, schools need to maximize the use of resources available in the communities. School administration community. School community partnerships can interact together many resources. Building such partnerships requires visioning, strategic planning, creative leadership, and new multifaceted roles for professionals who work in schools and communities. School administration parents. Positive parent school communication benefits parents. The manner in which schools communicate and interact with parents affect the extent and quality of parents' home involvement with their children's learning. Personal critical analysis. Human relationships are as essential as a strong administration to run a school. Through healthy human relationships, an educational leader can bring significant changes in the school. Human relationship enables an educational leader to work well or not so well with other people in the school. When teacher build positive and friendly relationships with his her students, he she can teach in a suitable way while maintaining the formal relationship between students and teachers when done well recognizes the human stories of the learner themselves as well as that of the teacher. Conclusion. Human relations can be defined as a cordial atmosphere in an organization in which people practice the art of living in such a way that they communicate, act, interact, and transact in a cordial manner, recognizing each other's needs, views, values, and temperament so that every interaction and transaction taking place in an organization would have concern for each other's interests and feelings, leading to better motivation and morale of people at all levels in the organization. References. Thank you.